Hello. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's analysis and trade ideas on indices. We are going to cover major indices in today's video. We have SPX, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and Dex, which we are going to cover today. Okay, so we are into this daily time frame of SPX cash. Okay, we got this daily time frame high around 4,850, and there was the phase where central banks rate hike cycle started, and we got some tight monetary policies from Fed, regular interest rate hike from the Fed, and we got this downtrend. Okay, all right, and after after a while, when Fed's J. Paul indicated that there will be no more rate hikes, we got some bullish price action in SPX. Okay, so this was the breakout where we got the bullish momentum, and ever since then we are into the market is quite bullish. Okay, the price action is really now quite bullish because we have broken out from this downtrend channel started from December. Okay, and now on March ending we got this breakout. Okay, so it is looking quite bullish, the price action is quite bullish, and ever since this breakout we got like this breakout. If we talk about around 560 points in 229 trading days. Okay, so it is quite bullish as of now. Okay, so for SPX to stay bullish, it will have to break out like this. Okay, it may backtest on this level and break out like this. Okay, and the key liquidity zone I'm going to mark over here. So this is where we can see a reversal. Okay, it is around 4,305. 4,305 is where it can reverse. Okay, but I think the reversal will be a short lived because the momentum of bullish candles are too strong. Okay, so it might get reversed. Just a minute. It might get reversed like this. It might backtest on this or on this blue channel and continue moving up. Okay, so this is where like for SPX to remain continuously bullish, it will have to break above 4,300, and which is likely to happen because it is quite bullish at the moment. Okay, and for any bearish confirmation, there is it does not make sense to get into the long entries in SPX for now. It can be bearish below only this level. Okay, so this is the level where it can be bearish. I will be only looking for sell in SPX below 4,185. Okay, so this is my analysis on SPX. Let's talk about Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones, we got a really big bullish candle on Friday closing. Okay, and the reason was this breakout. Okay, this breakout of this green downtrend channel. Okay, so let me give you a bigger look. Okay, so this is how it's looking, and this will be like this. Okay, so we have this blue resistance. Okay, we have 1 2 3 and this fourth touch on this blue resistance around 34,066. It might create a reversal and we might get down from here. Okay, let me give you the 4-hour candles view. Okay, so we got very highly bullish momentum in last Friday, and this blue resistance might not hold, and it can get reversed from here. Okay, so I'm looking like this. Okay, and the breakout from this channel, this breakout. Okay, so this Okay, so this rectangle breakout was really a nice breakout entry from 3400 up to 3800. It could have been a very nice long entry, and now if you are looking to short, the level would be around 34,050 to 34,070. Okay, after bearish confirmation only. You know, like bearish confirmation means wait for 1 hour or 30 minutes candle to close bearish. Okay, and the next candle should follow it, and there you got good confirmation of reversal. Okay, I might be making another video on how we can spot the reversal. Okay, reversal and continuous. So what I'm expecting over here, I'm expecting a back test on this. Okay, it might back test and break out like this, because the all indices, all equities are quite bullish at the moment. Okay, so this can be, if you want to go long, your entry would be around 33,500, and this back test would be a nice entry to go long. Okay, but again, it should be based on the confirmation only. Okay, you should wait for candles to print in your direction before taking entry. Okay, now let's talk about the Nasdaq particularly are looking very bullish. It's because the tech stocks are on fire. Okay, and let me give you a perfect example of how these lines are working. This lines gives you a perfect direction. Okay, this is the blue downtrend. We got this breakout. This was the breakout, this was the breakout, and this was the back test. Okay, they got this breakout and it was the back test, and it moved up. Okay, let me give you a closer look. Let me switch it into 4 hourly time candle. So 4 hourly candle, we had this resistance, this pink one. Okay, not pink, it's okay, so we had a breakout and back test on this, and we moved around it's around 1000 points. It would have been a very nice long entry at 13,550 up to 14,600. Okay, so now what next could be done? Okay, if you really want to have a continuous bias in Nasdaq, what I'm looking, below this we have this liquidity gap. So this is the liquidity gap which is eventually going to fill. It might get not filled for some time, but it has to be filled. Okay, we have this liquidity gap, so we are looking to sell only below this after bearing information. If you want to short the Nasdaq, it should be below 14,250, and we got this blue resistance over here. So let me give you a closer look. Okay, so there is one more possibilities of it to getting a test on this green resistance and get down. Okay, so the ideal entry would be around 14,900 to 15,050. Okay, so this would be the ideal entry to get short, and so these are the confirmation we are going to use, and it might go like this. Here there are two possibilities to happen. It might backtest on this support and continues getting up, or the bearish confirmation would be a break of this, a backtest, and getting down like this. Okay, so this is what I'm looking in Nasdaq. I hope you can guys marks the levels as per your convenience. Okay, so this is my analysis on Nasdaq. So let's talk about the Dex now. Dex is not as much bullish, because it has moved quite a lot when Nasdaq and other indices was not moving. Okay, we got this breakout. This breakout was the best breakout, and I thought we had given a buy signal on this breakout. Okay, this buy signal has given around uh, around 3,800 points so far. Okay, so this is how this breakouts work. Okay, and this is into the daily time frame. We have this blue green uptrend channel, and we have some sort of support over here. So for DAX to stay bullish, it will have to remain and it will have to trading within this green uptrend channel only. Okay, and for any case, if you are looking to short entry, you will have to wait for the breakout of this green uptrend channel to the downside like this, a break and retest, and you can target over and this is how you can go for the short. Okay, sorry. So DEX has already 3 touches, like it is all time high here, here and here. Okay, so these 3 touches are all time high, and I think the next touch on this resistance will not hold, and we might see a breakout like this. Okay, and the ultimate target would be around somewhere around 17,800, 17,500. Okay, so these are a kind of intraday to swing trade ideas. Okay, if you are looking to scalp, we have a different strategy. If you are looking to scalp, you cannot use this strategy. This strategy works good when you are trading into the swing trading style or intraday. Okay, 16,300 must hold for it to be bearish. Anything to break above, it's all about how the candles are getting printed. Okay, if candles are like if we have any bullish closer above the 16,300, it will be a buy signal, and if it got rejected, wait for 1 hour or 4 hour candle to print first, to close below, and then another candle to break the previous candle's low, and this is how you take the short entries. Okay, and we have, this is another support we have. Okay, it might get retested, but it is not as much strong as this support is. Okay, so this is all about the trade ideas. Thank you, and I hope you liked the video. If you do like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.